Hi, in this video, I will show you 3 useful Samsung features you should know that can make your Android experience faster, smarter, and more useful in 2026. Let's explore these hidden tips you should definitely know. Useful features. 1. Circle to search, instant screen search. Circle to search is one of the most powerful AI-based tools in Samsung devices. It allows you to search anything directly from your screen without switching apps. You can find information about images, text, products, or videos instantly. How to enable? Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Display. Find and open navigation bar settings. Turn on the option called Circle to Search. Make sure navigation gestures or buttons are properly set for activation. How to use? Open any app like YouTube, Instagram, Chrome, or Gallery. Long press the home button or navigation bar area. The screen will slightly freeze and activate search mode. Now circle, tap, or highlight anything you want to search. Google will instantly show results about that object, text, or image. This feature is very useful for quick learning, shopping comparisons, and identifying unknown objects without leaving your current screen. Useful features. 2. Edge panels. Smart panel shortcut system. Edge panels in Samsung. One UI 8 are upgraded with smarter AI-based shortcuts and tools. It gives you fast access to apps, contacts, tools, and even clipboard or tasks without opening the full app drawer. Go to Settings on your phone. Tap on Display. Scroll down and select Edge panels. Turn on the Edge panels option. Tap on panels to choose what you want to include, such as apps, tools, clipboard, or Smart Select. Swipe from the right edge of your screen. The Edge panel will slide out instantly. Scroll through available panels. Tap on any app, contact, or tool you want to open quickly. You can also customize the panel anytime by going back to Settings. This feature improves multitasking and saves time because you don't need to go back to the home screen repeatedly. Useful features. 3. Hide apps, privacy and clean app drawer. The Hide apps feature helps you keep your home screen clean and also protects your privacy by hiding apps you don't want others to see. Long press on an empty area of your home screen. Tap on Settings is Home Screen Settings. Scroll and find the option Hide Apps. Select the apps you want to hide from the list. Tap Done to confirm your selection. To use them, after hiding, selected apps will disappear from both the home screen and app drawer. To open hidden apps, simply use the search bar in the app drawer. If you want to unhide apps, go back to Hide App Settings and remove them from the hidden list. This feature is especially useful for keeping personal apps private or organizing your phone for a cleaner look. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more Android tips and tricks in the next video.